MrBeast gets 200 million views per video, and he literally said, "Clip my videos, I don't care." That's not just permission, that's a money printer handed directly to you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to take any MrBeast video, or even other Creative Commons content, and turn it into 10 to 15 viral shorts automatically. No editing skills, no expensive software, just a simple two-step workflow. Let's get into it. Here's the thing, people hear clip MrBeast videos and think it's easy money. They try to screen record it, quality is garbage. They find random downloader sites, fake buttons everywhere, malware warnings, crashes mid-download. Or they manually cut clips in CapCut for 3 hours straight. By the time they're done, they've made one clip. The problem isn't effort, it's the wrong tools and the wrong workflow. I'm going to fix both right now. Before anything else, you need the video cleanly downloaded on your device. The tool I use for this, and the only one I actually trust, is TubePull. Go to tubepull.com. Link is right in the description. Step 1. Open YouTube. Find the MrBeast video you want to clip. Copy the URL. Step 2. Come back to TubePull. Paste that URL in the box. Now here's where it gets crazy. Right after you paste the link, you'll see an option that says Add another URL. I have never seen this on any other video downloader. Not one. What this means is, you can go back to YouTube, grab another video URL, come back, paste it again, and again, and again. Up to 5 videos at the same time. One single page, one single download session. No switching tabs, no waiting for one to finish before starting the next. For people who download a lot of content, this feature alone is a complete game changer. But since we're doing a demo, I'll keep it to one video for now. Step 3. Now look at the format options TubePull gives you. And this is where most people don't realize how powerful this tool actually is. You don't just get video. You get video, audio, subtitles, transcript, and even the thumbnail, all on one single page. No opening 5 different tools. No wasting time jumping between sites. Everything in one place because of TubePull. Since we need the video, select Video MP4. Step 4. Now set your quality. TubePull supports downloads all the way up to 4K resolution. Pixel for pixel original quality. No compression, no re-encoding. I'll select 4K. Always go for the best quality when you're creating content. Step 5. Hit download. TubePull instantly starts. No fake analyzing video spinners, no waiting rooms, no sketchy redirects. It just goes. And while that's downloading, one important thing. TubePull is very clear about this themselves. Only download videos you are legally allowed to. Your own uploads, Creative Commons content, public domain videos, or content where the creator has given permission. MrBeast has publicly said, "Clip my videos." So we're good, but always make sure you have the right before downloading anything. Smart creators stay safe. Videos downloaded, clean, 4K, ready. Now the real magic begins. Now open your browser and search Adobe Express online. Click the first result. Step 1. Click Get Adobe Express free. No payment, no credit card. You're in instantly. Step 2. Click on Video, then scroll down and click Clipmaker. Step 3. You'll land on the Clipmaker interface. First thing you'll notice at the top, Add Caption. Keep it enabled. This is not optional if you're serious about shorts. Captions are the single biggest retention booster on short-form content right now. People watch on mute. People watch in public. Captions keep them watching. Adobe adds them automatically to every single clip. You don't touch anything. Step 4. Upload the video you just downloaded from TubePull. Simply drag and drop it or click Upload. You'll see the upload progress bar moving. This is Adobe pulling your video into its system. Now this is where you just sit back. Adobe doesn't randomly cut your video. It actually analyzes the entire content. It scans for the most engaging moments, the highest energy sections, the parts where attention spikes. It finds the clips that have the best chance of performing. Give it 2 to 3 minutes. Step 6. Your clips are ready. And this is where most people get surprised for the first time. Look at the side panel. Adobe hasn't just given you raw cuts. Every single clip comes with a title already written, tags already generated, and a description ready to copy-paste. You don't have to think about any of that. Just grab the clip and go. Step 7. Now look at your caption styles. Adobe gives you around 15 to 20 different caption styles, and here's the important part. These aren't random styles. These are the styles that are currently trending right now across shorts and reels. Bold text, highlighted words, animated captions, the kind you see on viral videos every single day. Click through each one, preview how it looks on your clip, and pick the one that fits best. Step 8. Before you download, watch each clip through once. Adobe is smart, but you're smarter. Sometimes a clip starts a second too early or ends a second too late. If it's perfect, great. If not, Adobe gives you a simple trim option right there. No need to open CapCut. No need to switch tools. Fix it on the spot. Step 9. Select your clip. Hit download. Give it around 10 minutes to process. Adobe is rendering your clip with the captions baked in at full quality. Once it's done, it lands straight in your gallery. Crisp, clean, ready to upload, and here's what you do next. Don't just download 1, download 5, download 10. You already have all of them ready with titles, tags, and descriptions. Schedule them across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. That's your entire week of content, done in one session. And that's exactly how Faceless channels scale to millions of views fast. That is the exact two-step workflow. Tube pull to download Adobe Express to clip upload everywhere. Tube pull link is in the description. Completely free. No sign up needed. Go try it right now. If this workflow helped you, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below. Which video are you going to clip first? I read every single one. Thanks for watching Digital Prime Profit. Catch you in the next one. Peace.